Here we have a beautiful Sweden 390 from 2001. She's been in this current ownership for 15 years and was brought back from the US and has been used as a family cruising yacht. Firstly, up the rig, you can see she's a cutter rig. She's got a Selden aluminium mast. Her standing rigging was last replaced in 2017, and she's got some rather nice North Nordac sails. Her main is 2017 and her 135% Genoa is from 2016. You'll also notice that she's got the nice modern, slimmer blue style line compared to some of her older sisters. She's got teak side decks and coach roof, which are in okay condition, but what you'd expect for her age. We'll walk all the way aft, have a look at the cockpit and the transom. While we're doing that, I'll also mention she's got a rather nice spinnaker and a snuffer. She's got a 110% jib, which is on the inner forestay, and that's furling as well. And then she's got a selection of storm sails. You can see the transom with a fold down boarding ladder. She's also got a Durogen wind generator, so that's wind, but it can also be turned into a towing generator. And onto the deck we go, and we'll head straight up forward first. She's got nice clear wide decks. And there you can see the cutter setup. Anchor locker, she's got a Lofren's Aeron 1000 electric windlass. And she's got those two Selden furlers, one for the Genoa and one for the inner forestay. Slab reefing main, which is on the boom obviously. Got the dinghy just stored on the coach roof there. That's a Lodestar 220 from 2011, so it's a 2.2 metre dinghy, and that comes with her. She also does come with a life raft, and that's next due a service in 2023. It's also worth noting her traveller is just forward of the cockpit, so you haven't got a traveller careering across the cockpit. And there you can see it all nicely laid out. You can sit 4 very comfortably on the table, but you can get 6+ in the cockpit. And then you can just see on the left of your screens, her primary winches are actually electric, which is rather nice for bringing in that Genoa. You can just see the black buttons next to the winches there. We've got these nice cushions either side for when you're heeled over and helming. Sweden trait they are. So autopilot control at the helm, and then we've got nice storage lockers either side, lazarette lockers. Running backstays there either side of the cockpit. Above the companionway We've got 3 Raymarine ST60s, we've got wind, speed and depth, and some snazzy fusion speakers either side as well. And then you've got banks of clutches on either side. Power of technology, we are heading down below. It's really beautiful joinery down below, as with all Sweden yachts, just such a lovely feel. L-shaped galley over to starboard here. Great secure galley for when you're in a seaway. It's got an outboard facing chart table with a seat. This beautiful fixed saloon table. So up forward, we've got this V berth. And storage galore. For a 39-footer, she's got an awful lot of storage. And then this is the heads, which has got Jack and Jill doors, so it's the main heads, obviously, the only heads, so you can get to it from the saloon, or it can become an ensuite, depending on who you've got on board. Doubles up as a shower with the tap pulling out, extending to become a shower. And this is in through the other door. So you can see that folds down on top of the head, so you can sit down and have a shower when you're sailing. Beautiful curved seating either side of the saloon, which follows the line of the hull, which I just think looks absolutely lovely. Again, good storage either side of the saloon. You've got bookcases and you've got cupboards. And these have got lee cloths, which then become great sea berths. Chart table, lots of gizmos and gadgets there. We've got an AIS receiver, we've got a standalone GPS, we have got SATCOMs, although it's not been used for some years, VHF, and then we have chart on a laptop. It doesn't come with the laptop, but you can just plug one in and away you go. Now we've got a slightly different layout here to the traditional 390s. This is the aft cabin, obviously, and we've got a double, but instead of having a bulkhead between what would be the third cabin on the starboard side, we've opened it up and it makes a really nice, lovely aft cabin. To a quick stop in the galley and then we'll go in the other side. So double sinks, there we've got a fridge. And a good old oven with double hobs. Then into the other side of the aft cabin. See the seating and storage again. Gives a really good view of the whole cabin there. Absolutely lovely boat. She's in nice condition, ready to sail away.